Right, a little tip for masking. Let's get a pair of scissors a second. This is quite a handy one for your masking up cylinder heads or anything relatively intricate. Now, half the battle is having decent masking tape, which I don't. This stuff is crap. It's really bad, but it will serve the purpose of what we're doing. If you push all your masking tape on nice and tight, you can just see. Let me bring you down a little bit closer. That's nice. Now then, you can just see the edge that we want to remove the tape on. Now, if you get a hammer and just slightly tap on the edge, you won't do enough damage to damage the cast, but you will just break the tape. Now I'll just tap that all the way around, and you can just see when the tape breaks. And then when the tape breaks, you can carefully peel away your masking tape and it'll be masked up perfectly. I promise. Watch this space. Right, moment of truth. If this goes wrong, I look stupid. Let's hope it doesn't. Right, just tease it away. There we go. That couldn't have gone any better, could it? We have now got a perfectly masked off exhaust manifold port.